Savannah. It's a video.
Oh shit. I'm smiling at it. Oh my god. Oh god. Good work, good work. Does this still work? We're just chilling.
Yeah, we're taking our break.
Yeah, we're taking our break. Having fun? Hit your head yet? See, this one would be nice. If we could get this thing off, then a little bit more space, but then I won't have any place to put anything.
Right.
This is cool because it's a fireplace, but it costs more insurance, so I want to get rid of it. So Jared said he's going to put something in it, didn't he? Some kind of electricity heater thing? Fake ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he said he was going to do, because he already took the chimney apart. I gotta remember this house.
The way it is.
Beautiful place.
Right.
Yep. Turned into a beautiful place.
There.
Huh?
It's wet right there. And there's rocks in the window.
What? Oh, there's a rock in the window.
It's now your pet. It will bring you good luck.
Maybe.
The rain is coming through this window. It's wet right there.
Is it?
Must be leaking. Gosh.
It's leaking in.